If the first circle is working 6 single crochet into a magic circle, how do you hook it? The start of working into a magic circle is ready. Next, 6 single crochet hook. A single crochet is hooked like this. Crochet through the circle. Hook a coil over here. Now there are 2 coils on the crochet hook. Crochet and hook another coil. Finish these 2 coils. A V shape is formed here. It's just a single crochet stitch. We mark the first pin of each turn with a marker. Then hook down the second single crochet. Third single crochet. Fourth single crochet. Fifth single crochet. The sixth single crochet. After this loop is done, let's tighten the coil. The way to tighten the coil is to pull the wire. See which of these 2 wires moves now. This one moves now. We're gonna pull this one line. Pull hard on the side near the thread. Pull as far as possible until there is no gap in the middle of the circle. And then we pull on this thread. Finish this thread. This way, the tightening of the coil is complete. Let's cut this thread. After each turn of the hook, we need to hook a ship stitch to finish the circle. Ship stitch is used to remove the marking buckle at the position of the marking buckle. Crochet through the position of the mark buckle. That's the first pin of the circle right here. Crochet, bring a coil over. Bring this coil directly out of the original coil on the crochet hook. This is the stitch of a ship stitch, SL, SIN for short. As each turn of this one ship stitch, not counting one stitch in the circle. So let's make the stitch smaller. The method of winding small leads, crochet often pulls this coil in this direction. This makes the stitch smaller. That completes the first lap. Before the second loop, we're gonna hook a chain stitch. It's just a crochet hook wrapped around the thread. Pull this loop out of the crochet hook again. It's a chain stitch. Before every lap, we're gonna hook a chain stitch. Then you can hook the pattern of the next round. The first stitch of every round. They will have to be tagged. Make a mark.